Hi, my name is Sarah Logman, and this is my work for problem number 1 on quiz 2. So I start off with my initial sum accumulator, which is 0, and then I did a for loop with the range statement of 104 to 520 by 2 to find the sum of even integers from 104 to 518. And then I updated my sum accumulator value right here. And then finally, I did a print statement to find my answer, which resulted in me getting 64,688. And then to make sure that my for loop was correct, I did a check with smaller numbers. So I started off with the initial sum accumulator, which was also 0, and then I did it from 2 to 10 by 2 to find the sum of even integers from 2 to 10, and then I just checked my work by doing 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, which resulted in me getting 20, which meant that my for loop was correct. Thank you.